everybody, this is Cynthia Maynard. I hope you are doing well today. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making something with the new Maggie Holmes Market Square papers, and the four colors that I have chosen to do my base is this beautiful, this is my favorite, and then one, and then this graph, and then the strawberries, in the hope that warmer days are coming. Not too warm though. And then I've got some Nina white cardstock, and I have a scrap here to make my hinge. So what I'm using as my base are these two pieces. This is from Studio Light Grunge Collection, and this is number SLGRCD26, and I will link that if I can find a store that still sells this. And just to show you the pieces on here, there's this piece here, and then some flowers, something that you can cut into your paper, and then this floral here. And then I'll set that aside and get gluing here, and we'll leave our hinge piece. So basically this is going to be really simple flip book. Of course, you could make as many pages as you need to, and then just use the hinges, change them how you need them. So for my front page, I want to use this piece because this is my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that one down first. I love Studio Light dies. They come with the layering pieces, which make it really nice, and it has the stitching detail. What we'll have open once we have our hinge there, so you kind of decide what papers you want opposite of each other back, because that way I can decorate inside. So I'm going to go ahead and then the back page will be the strawberries. So as we open the book, it'll go like that. So I've got this piece of, I'm going to make this a straight edge here. Oh, this is 1.5, so I'm going to do it at 3/4. Is half of that. Here's your bone folder. Is we can make little matte pieces for this. Okay, so it's going to be glued down like that, and ideally that would have been under the paper, but like I said, we could just make little matte pieces. And so this piece measures 1.5 by 4.5, and then our little mats are going to be like short, just shy of 3/4 by that. So all right, I want to make it so your score line allows you to open up that book. I'm going to do it this way because I think it'll be easier. Nice thing about wet glue is while you're still doing it, you can move it slightly. All right. Fishing through my stash, trying to find what I'm going to do with this. Sometimes I don't always have a plan, but it was so pretty that you know, you just can't leave it like this. So I found some things. I printed off some double-sided. That is from Fun Stamper's Journey. I don't know if you can still get it, but you can check the Spellbinders page and see if they have that. It cuts out this die here, or this paper, and then you simply fold these in and glue it. So it's a really easy way. Of course, it's nice with double-sided paper because you can pop some ephemera in here, some tags, some little, also punch a hole maybe in there or something, I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it down. It's nice with digital paper. You have the option of making it double-sided, which is really nice. Okay, on the front, I've got this. This is from Studio Light die JMA WAC CD92, and it's from the Janine's Mindful Art Warm and Cozy, or Warm and Cozy. It's a lantern and label, and it has this beautiful ornate layer. I love how they give you the layering pieces for that. Add a bit of scrap. It's a great way to use your scraps like that, and you could do some stamping on there. Okay, so it's that great ticket shape. It's got a bit of grunge to it. Kind of looks like an old vintage style with the label. Planner Essentials die from Studio Light, and this is stencil SL347, and it comes with this planner page, which obviously we're not using right now, and it comes with these dies. So it has this neat little pocket with it. Okay. And get that centered like so. And I'm going to put it on this side. So I have this Studio Light Essentials. It's kind of a winter scene and house tag die set, but it has this fun stitch element here, and then the layering piece, and that is stencil SL320. Now we have something to tuck in to our pocket there, and you could put several more in there. It's okay. Continuing on with our project here, grabbing some more things from my stash. I have this also from Studio Light that makes this little layered notebook paper, and this is stencil SL200, and what this cuts out is this sort of notebooky bit here, torn notebook, and then the layering piece that goes on top of that, and this measures about 3 by 4 1/4, and I think I have an affiliate link down below for that. Got some of the paper out of a square scallop square from my stash, and I thought I would try maybe cutting on an angle. Okay. And you can make a couple of these and layer them. For a different pattern, you could do the same thing and then have like a double pocket like that. So, all right, put paper and pop that in there like so. And then whomever buys this can, I don't like to over decorate it because I feel like when people buy this, they can add their own. For the closure, I might do a hole here. Hole. I'm going to put that through. To close it, you can go ahead and tie it in a bow. And there you have it. So a fun little folio with those Studio Light dies and some others, and that beautiful Maggie Holmes paper. All right, thanks guys for joining me. Have a great day.